your Business 110, E01 and D01 class. Many students have been emailing me asking me about the textbooks and how to get access to it. Um, I would suggest that you take a look at your Brightspace class. When you click on textbook and courses, I have given you a link to purchase the book. When you click on this page, it does take you to the Business 110, or make sure you're in the correct class, okay? It has to be Business 110 E01 and D01, both, whichever section you are in. Make sure you buy both the books, okay? And in case if you have any issues, go to the BCC bookstore. If you go to the BCC website and click bookstore, it actually gives you the contact information. Some students are emailing me asking, oh, I'm not able to access the book. I don't have any control of your books. So you will have to contact this number or go to this email or reply to the email when you purchase the book. They give you contact information, okay? Call this number regarding any kind of codes that you're. But after you purchase the book, you will have to go back to your class. And on week 1, I have given you the link to register to connect. There are 2 online tools when you buy the book. One is the simnet tool to access the Excel content, and then the connect to access your textbook and read the ebook. Okay, so there are 2 online tools. So let us start with connect to access the textbook first. So it says CBCC Custom Connect Online Access. So when you click on your week 1 in your Brightspace class, I've given you a link to log in or to sign up to connect. When you click on this, it takes you to this page. It should say Spring 2025 Business 110 D01 for the D01 class and E01 for the evening class. Okay, whichever section you are in, make sure you're in the correct class. Enter your email and click continue. Okay. When you click continue, you are registered to your class on Connect. Okay. Now to connect, go to you can go on to any of the Google and type McGraw-Hill Connect. It takes you to the first link. You can click on this. You can bookmark this page. It actually takes you to the sign in page. If you have not created a sign in, click create and sign in, and then use your username and password. Okay. And then after logging in, it actually takes you to your course. Make sure you are in the Spring 2025 Business 110 E01 or the D01 course. Okay. Now, how to access the book? Normally, when you click on this, it takes you, for example, let me show you the student view. Hold on. Let me show you the student view. I have to log in. All of you have to be logged in to connect in order to access your book. Okay. So the student view will look something like this. So you will have it. There is no assignments this week. Every week when there is an assignment due, you will see the assignments here. Okay. To launch the ebook or to read your book, you will have to click on this tab here. Okay. So click on this. It brings up your textbook. Okay. So you will click on this and then do your chapter readings each week. For example, click on week 1 and then you will be able to read. There you go. This is your book. You can either click your arrows or use your arrow key on your keyboard to go and read your books. Okay. So to access your book, go to connect and then click on your course, and then you'll be able to see your book here. Okay. To read the book. Assignments, as they are due each week, it will be published here, and then you could go and complete your assignments. Okay. They are right here. It'll appear on the week that it is due, or you could click on your menu and then click on a to do. Each week there'll be assignments for the next 7 days that are to be completed. Okay. It will not appear 20 days or 30 days before the assignment is due. Okay. So it will only appear that week that it is due. So each assignment can be seen and completed. Okay. So this is to access your textbook, which is The Understanding Business by Nichols. Okay. Next, how to access the simnet. So when you purchase the book, once again, if you have any code issues, please contact the bookstore on this and they'll help you to activate the book if you have a problem. Otherwise, you could just go on to this URL link called Bronx CC, called bronxcommunitycollege.simnetonline.com. I've given you the link right here. So you can click on this. It takes you to, when you click on this, it takes you to this page. If you already have a simnet account, do not create a second simnet account. You can only have one simnet account for one MPID. If you do not have any simnet account so far, click on this register now and use your first name, last name. The student ID is your MPID, your email. I prefer that you use the same email with which you bought the textbook, preferably the BCC email, and then create a username and password. Make sure you remember them and check this. And then when you click the next create button, I can't do that because I already have an account. When you click create an account, make sure you select the correct class. For example, simnet is divided into two classes, Spring 2025 Business 110E01 or Spring 2025 Business 110ED01. Okay, so select that, finish your sign up, you will be brought to this page. This is the simnet page where you could go and access all the exercises here. The book that you bought here, for example, the book that you bought here, the simnet Microsoft Excel 365 is actually accessed through simnet. When you click on the library, and this is the book that you are using, the Microsoft Excel 365. This is the book used for Business 110, the Excel 4 chapters. But the assignments are available right here on the home page. But in case if anybody wants to know where do I access the book I bought, it's right here in the library. And then this is the book that you are using for Business 110. Okay. So on Connect, you are using the book, which is Understanding Business. For example, there you go. This is the book that you will be following up for this class, which is Understanding Business. And simnet is accessed through bronxcc.simnetonline.com. When you sign up, it takes you to this page, either Business 110E01 Spring 2025 or Business 110D01, whichever section you are in. It's the same process. Okay, and then you are to complete all these exercises by the due dates. For example, chapter 1 is due by March 23rd. What do? You click on this and then you complete each and every one of the let me tries. Okay, for example, you click on this and then go complete the show me, guide me, and let me try. You have to do all the three of them. Okay, it's very simple. It's a simple learning tool to learn Excel. Okay, even if you don't have any experience with Excel, you still have to do all the three in order to get a check mark here. See, when you finish all the tasks, you get a check mark here. Okay, so each chapter, how many tasks are there to complete? It tells you here. See, the first, this one, you just have to go through the page and read through it, and then the let me tries in the second unit there are 1, third unit there is 5, then in the fifth unit there is 2. You do not have to complete the pause and practice units. If you want to practice, you can do it, but it's not required. Once when you complete all the let me tries, once again, you do not have to do all the projects, only you have to do all the let me tries. When you get the check mark until all this, you can go on to the next chapter. Okay, so there are 4 chapters, 1, 2, 3, 4. After completing the 4 chapters, you have to complete all your projects. Okay, at the end of the project, when you complete the capstone project, each of you will get a yellow belt level 2 certification. Yellow belt level 2 certification from simnet. Okay, so these are the assignments that you have to complete on simnet. And of course, if you have any questions each week, the topics are given to you here to complete. Make sure you follow. So once again, you have to sign up to Connect and to simnet to access both your books that you purchase for Business 110E01. Okay. If you do have any questions, please wait until I meet you in class on Mondays, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Good luck, everybody.